Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Not sure how to really approach this one. A flip phone. I really cannot remember the last time I really touched a flip phone. Outside of when I was working at a cell phone company fixing phones, and usually the flip ones we just threw away because they just were not worth it. This is $75 to buy on a plan buy outright from Rogers. It doesn't run Android. It runs an operating system called iOS. But what's kind of neat about it is the fact that it has Google apps built in for it. So I may not just be Android. I'm kind of a big Google fan. So not only Google, but it has the Google Assistant, and that's kind of a neat feature to have. I mean, I know a lot of folks out there who don't like smartphones. That this is kind of a nice bridge for them. And when I get them used to using the Google Home Mini, that being able to use it on their phone might be pretty cool. So I don't know how I'm going to review this, but I thought I'd just kind of unbox it and let you guys kind of see that, and we'll go from there, I guess, if you have any questions. I really like to think I know some people who might want this flip phone, but most of the ones I know who the last holdouts kind of went and got cell phones, like actual smartphones. Okay, so open it up. Alcatel, like I said, it's an economy brand out there, made by TCL. It's a fairly decent size. I like the screen on the front. That's pretty neat. Look at the size of those buttons. Those are some big buttons. It's feeling pretty light, so I bet you, is there a case this has to, or a battery pack this has to, bet you, let me open this before I start cracking that open. What goes on in here? Alcatel Go Flip. We've got a little wall phone shard, and it's attached, so you can't even use the cable for anything else. It's attached, and it's pretty low end. Power requirements, just to keep it on the lower end, you probably don't need more than an amp to charge this up. 550 milliamps, a lot less than an amp. So it's only going to use for this guy. You probably won't have anything else in your house that you would want to use it for. Ugh, okay. So I remember how to do this kind of stuff. Wow, it's been a long time since I've been able to take the back off of a phone. And it goes in there. It goes in like that. Does it even have a micro SD? No. Does it? No. No micro SD. It's just a SIM tray. Oh no, right there. Yeah, micro SD. So you can have some storage of pictures and whatnot. Oh, did it wrong again. Come on. Maybe I didn't do it wrong. Push down. There we go. Like I said, it's been a while since we've had anything like this. Okay, now it uses micro USB, to charge up. Headphone jack. That's it. Big speaker. Let's turn this on. Power. No? Maybe it just need to be charged up. Ooh, here we go. Booting up. Feel like I'm holding old technology right now. Could take that off, but I kind of feel like I don't want to. It's reminding me that if I hold, okay, that brings in the Google Assistant. That's her vibrating. Oh. This is going to be interesting for those of you who've not used the old, what do we call that? TTY? Texting? A, B, C, A, JKL, call, right? You play it that way. This is taking a long time to boot up. English. Je ne fais pas français. I will keep it. Next. Ooh, connect to my password. Well, we'll skip password then for a while. We hope you never lose your phone. Protect your data with remote lock. Yada yada. Check the updates, etc. Accept. Accept. The age is 16. Next. Oh, and there's a little ring. Next. That's apps. This is settings. Long press to Google. Okay. Okay. So we put this, and there's your apps. YouTube, Maps, Assistant, Store. And I guess you can get other things like Gmail or something like that. Anyways, yeah, that's feeling like a pretty old looking device. Wow. Nope. Can you touch this even? No, it's not gonna be touchscreen. Of course not. $75, guys. I'm sure you know somebody who might want some of this. Thanks.